People across the world are studying climate change and the effects of greenhouse gases. And that includes researchers here at Cornell College. Oliver Trousdale and Samantha Slaymaker are exploring methods of carbon dioxide capture with Professor Craig Teague for the Cornell Summer Research Institute.
We have ways of capturing carbon dioxide that are in use industrially, but they take a lot of energy and they have other properties like they're corrosive and things like that. And so we're working on understanding different materials that could be better for capturing CO2, or more precisely separating the carbon dioxide from some other gas like nitrogen that we don't care so much about.
Oliver is focusing on the computational chemistry aspect of the research with a relatively new compound called graphene.
Basically what we're doing is we're building molecules on the computer and telling the computer to perform certain types of calculations in order to see how graphene-like structures can interact with CO2.
Oliver was able to find something that we didn't really expect, and that actually will bind CO2 stronger than we were expecting it to. And so that's pretty interesting, and so we've been exploring that ever since they found that.
Samantha's working with ionic liquids, which she describes as liquid salts at room temperatures. She's exploring the liquids with a specific instrument.
We're using an infrared spectrometer called the Vertex 70. And all it does is measure the energy of the movement of molecules.
We're now to the point of doing some experiments that have never been done before. So doing spectroscopy as a function of temperature for some of the materials that she's working with.
They're working together to discover solutions to the emissions issues at the ground level.
We're looking at how they interact at a fundamental level that will hopefully lead to further advances in carbon dioxide separation and capture.
Oliver and Samantha are taking on this research early in their college careers. They're only going into their second year at Cornell. They say this experience has helped them grow.
I have a lot more confidence in the laboratory setting. I know during Gen Chem I struggled with labs just because I wasn't confident with what I was doing, but now I'm a little more familiar with the settings and the techniques.
This is just one of many research projects going on for CSRI. For others, check out our website at cornellcollege.edu/research.